Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Has the COVID virus got you depressed? So much news, so everywhere you look, news. Well, that's all I'm going to say about it. We're going to go to something better than that, and that is a new webpage I found. It's not a new webpage. Matter of fact, looking at some of the links, it's been around for quite a while. But this is a webpage full of links to information for ham operators, shortwave listeners, hobbyists of all kinds. This is, I couldn't believe I've never seen this. It's the VK5VKA home webpage. And just stand by. Here we go. These are things that are new on the website. Now, new is a relative term because you see one of them here, right here, was added 2014. But it's all kinds of links to information about the stuff we want to think about and not think about the virus. Here's AOR radios, cross-country wireless vertical antenna, future system, ICOM 705 radio, SDRHU, which is the website where you can listen to SDRs throughout the world. Here's a website for the SDR Play. Let's just take that one for instance. Let's see where it takes us. There it takes us to the SDR Play website, and specifically to the RSP DX. Okay, let's go back. I'm just going to do a couple of these because there are hundreds and hundreds of links. Just grab a few. Oh, here's some links to the new Texan radios. Let's see what that is. Oh, that's the article on SWLING. Okay. I love that website. What else we got? Now we come down here, we've got menu, amateur radio, various articles, antennas, computer software for shortwave radios and scanner listeners. All right. Oh, look at all the software packages. We've got aviation ones, we've got logging software, propagation prediction software. There's DX Toolbox, vocap, radio signal decoding software. Let's see if I recognize any of these. Yes, JVC-Com. I've used these over the years, and I wouldn't be able to find the link. I've completely lost the link. It's a bunch of them. Look at this. Receivers are radio scanners control. Now here's a piece of control software I used for my BC800, BC780 scanner, which has a serial port interface. So you have to have an old computer, and that's one of the reasons I kept one of my old computers around just to run this. Look at this list. It goes on scan control. That will control another one of my scanners, again via RS-232. Satellite tracking software. Orbitron's the one I use. I've used these others in the past. I use WX Track. I'm so excited about this webpage. I am so glad I found it. I think I use that on a tablet. Time and mapping software. Then we go back. I say we can go back. Okay, let's go back this way. Radio World Magazine summaries. Receivers of the past. That's probably another website. Now, like I say, this website's been around for a while, so some of these links aren't any good anymore. I think this is one of them. Maybe I'm not. Nope, it's one of them. No, take that back. It works. Those are just pictures though, no documents. Frequency and time signal stations. Now it took me back to here. I didn't even know this page exists. Wow. Radio stations of interest. This is pretty cool stuff. Like I say, some of it you'll get a dead link. Let's see if I can find Radio Romania International. Let me see what that takes us. And then I'm going to call this quits. It's going. There it is. Radio Romania International website. Pretty cool. So then here's a November 16th update, 2020 update. So they're still in business. Okay, let's go back. And what I will do is, let me go back, back. I'm trying to find the original page. This is it, I think. Yes. So this is, I think if you just search on his call sign, you'll find this page. I will put the link up here in the comments below this video. It'll be the first comment below this video. That's it. So get your mind off the virus and do other things like look at all these websites. Have a great day. Bye-bye.